Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Gadgetshop.com, and today we are going to do a quick hands-on review and overview of the HP Envy X2 Windows tablet plus laptop, because you can actually remove the display part of it, so we are calling it tablet as well as a laptop. You can use this display part as a Windows 8 tablet as well. So in terms of the overall specification, you get Intel Atom processor on this device. The model number is this, as you can see over here, Z2760, and it is clocked at 1.8 gigahertz. When it comes to the RAM, you have 2 GB of RAM on this device, 32-bit of operating system as far as Windows 8 is concerned, and then you have this kind of a keyboard, which is a chiclet keyboard which you get, and again the quality of the keys which you have on this device is pretty good. You have sufficient amount of travel in this keyboard as far as the keys are concerned, and the overall quality is also pretty nice. So you have a big touchpad over here, and again the bottom part of the touchpad can be used for the left click and for the right click, as you can see. And in terms of the overall build quality, you have aluminum over here, which does feel pretty good. And it is not aluminum, it is actually aluminum finished plastic, which is good quality of plastic which they have actually used, so it is not aluminum. As far as the top part is concerned, you have aluminum over here, so this is aluminum, as you can see. And again, the overall look and feel of this machine is pretty similar to the previous machine which we have seen from HP, and this one is definitely looking like the HP Envy X1. And then we have the camera over here, and the back camera on this device is an 8 megapixel camera, autofocus camera with LED flash. And here we have the power and sleep button. You have the volume rocker over here, as you can see, and here you have the micro SD memory card slot, so you can expand the storage of the device by using a micro SD memory card slot. So if you tap it, you will eject the tray, and then you can use a micro SD memory card into this device to expand the storage. As far as the hinge is concerned, you have a very stylish hinge with rubber padding over here. Whenever you open the display part of it, the rubber pads will touch the ground, so it will make sure that the device does not slip even if you have it on a slippery surface. And if we take a look over the other specification, the Windows Experience Index which we get on this device, it is not very good in terms of the overall Windows Experience Index which we get on this device, but pretty okay. So the scores for the CPU, memory, graphics, gaming graphics and primary hard disk are like this, and the total score is 3.3, which is the minimum score which we get on this device. And as far as the hard disk is concerned, you have around 80 GB of hard disk on this device, and this is the amount of storage free you get on this device. And you do have a recovery partition as well on this device, and this machine does support touch as well, as you can see. So you can use the Windows 8 touch part of it using your finger, so it does support touch as well, and you will be able to play the touch specific games and other application you can use on this device using the display only. And so this is how the tablet part of the machine will look like once you remove the tablet part. And you do have a 2 megapixel camera at the front, and you have a LED indicator as well, and you do have some secondary mics over here for noise cancellation and video chat whenever you want to do it. And when it comes to the loudspeaker, this is where the loudspeaker sits on this particular display, as you can see, and it is again pretty big in terms of the overall mesh which you see. And the overall sound quality which comes out from this particular machine is also pretty good, because it does have Beats audio, as you can see over here. And again, this tablet is pretty light in terms of the overall weight as well, if you want to carry it around, and it goes with this particular keyboard, and you can always carry it without the keyboard and you can use it on the go. And you do have some headphone and mic jack over here at the bottom. Then you have some additional ports over here for the docking, as you can see over here, and you have a micro SD memory card slot as well for expanding the storage. The volume rocker over here, the 8 megapixel camera, so you can use this like any other tablet which you can use on the go, and it is quite light to carry. You can always hold it with one hand. Its build quality is pretty nice. You have nice quality of aluminum which has been used to make the back of this tablet, and then you have HP branding at the bottom. So that's all from us as far as the quick hands-on and overview of this machine is concerned.